What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in today's trick tip, we're going to learn switch rock to fakies. Let's go. All right, so now for a switch rock to fakie, it's basically the same as a normal rock to fakie, but once you do a rock to fakie on one side, you're coming back in switch or fakie. So you want to be able to do another trick while you're coming in backwards. So this is basically what a rock to fakie is, switch. All right, so the foot positioning for a switch rock to fakie is pretty much the same as what you'd use to do a normal rock to fakie, but you can kind of cheat a little bit by having one foot on your tail and one foot a bit higher on your nose. So it's fine to literally be like that, and that's completely fine. Once you get a bit confident, you'll be able to literally switch your feet positioning pretty quick. But while you're learning, having one foot on the nose and one foot on the tail is completely fine. All right, so speed for a switch rock to fakie is exactly the same as a normal rock to fakie. You want to try your best to get the middle of the board on that coping only, and that is the safest way to do it. Well, there you go, guys. That's how you do a switch rock to fakie. Now, definitely take it at your own progression and start small. So don't go to the biggest ramp you can until you're confident. Now, thank you so much for checking out our videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Once you get good at this trick, you can take it to different variations. So you can end up doing a switch nollie pop rock.